How to change Playstore Country or region to Australia. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Payment and Subscription. Then click on Payment Methods. Then go to More Payment Settings. It will lead you to Google. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, your payments should be added. After that, you'll find 3 lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on that and then go to Settings. You'll find Country or Region option. Simply click on it and then switch it to Australia. And then you're good to go. This is how to change Playstore Country or region to Australia. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.